रसना जपते मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतिपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही रसना 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 जपते 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 तू रसना जपते एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Welcome to you all, the program of Word of Sikhism. I am Chatra Singh Saini. I have with me by Gurdarshan Singh Ji from Guru Gobind Singh Foundation. We have started this segment from the Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Gurbani, which is called Japji Sahib. Bhai Sahib is going to explain it to you where we left off in the last segment. Bhai Sahib Ji, start.
Everyone, welcome again. May God bless us all. The purpose of talking about Guru Nanak Dev Ji's word through his writings, the very famous writing of Japji Sahib, which we call with love Japji. Original name is Jap. So in his Bani, his teachings, his life was only to bring happiness in everyone's life. And while living in this world, working, raising families, and one has to enjoy, one has to live in a bliss.
Yeah.
But that does not happen. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, in his words, and the beauty of his life is that he was a married man. He had a wife, he had children, he had parents to take care, and he worked, he learned, he went to school. Yet what he achieved, it was phenomenal. He toured around, went around, and different religious places. For him, that was not something that would stop his wisdom to flow. And he met people relevant in every profession. He went to see religious people, he went to people, those who had renounced the world, and he met with kings, those people who would make impact on layman.
The society at large.
Society at large. And many times he challenged them.
Right.
Not challenge them in the sake of defeating them, but to awaken them.
Right. To educate them.
That no one deserve in this world to be forgotten,
intimidated,
or not to achieve the very purpose of life. Rather, the religion and the institutions around, whether they are social, religious, political, they need to provide everything within their means to help people to achieve their sense of purpose. And when we are talking about Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Bani, Japji, and we left at Pauri 13th, and we will be talking about Pauri 13th today. And let us do the part first, then we will go through the meanings. And we will try to understand what Guru Nanak Sahib has to teach us, tell us in his words. मन्नै सुरत होवै मन बुद्ध, मन्नै सगल भवन की सुध, मन्नै मूँह चोटा ना खाए, मन्नै जम कै साथ ना जाए, ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए, जे को मन जाना मन कोए. In the previous body, Guru Nanak Dev Ji talked about मन्नै, मन्ने की गत कही न जाए. A person who believes, a person who accepts. Now he talks about मन्नै, मन्नन दे नाल. If you were to accept Guru's wisdom, if you bring Guru's teaching in your life, what will happen to you? How Guru's teaching will help you? How Guru's teaching will enhance your wisdom, and how Guru's teaching will lift you up from where you are. And Guru Sahib says,
or help you to deal with the world day to day in your workplace or other places if you start accepting the Guru Banis.
And Guru says, Mannai Surt Hove Man Buddh. So these are the big words. Surt. What is Surt? Surt is awareness. Mannai. If you are bringing Guru's teaching in your life, you become a person of awareness. Awareness means that you are totally focused. Nothing random comes in your life. Whatever you are doing, you are totally focused. And not only focused what you are doing, but you know the consequences of what you are doing. That's Surt. And there is a word of Guru Arjan Sache Patshahi Ji in his Bani. He says, साकत की अवरदा जाए बिरथारी, जैसे कागद के पार मूसा टूक गवावत, काम नहीं गावारी. And he says, if you are not conscious, if you are not aware what you are doing, and you may create even hell in your life. And that's what is even rather happening.
That's what's happening in everybody's life, because we are not educated enough to bring the values of the God, nature in our life.
And Guru Arjan Sahib says, Par harna, lobh, choot, nind, evhi kart gudari. Your lifestyle has become, because you are not aware, you are not conscious about the consequences what you are doing. And this is par harna. You are stealing from others. And stealing physically, stealing intellectual ways, and your way is to grab everything what others have.
Others' ideas, otherwise.
Others' ideas. And the par harna, you don't even feel bad when you are stealing somebody's wealth.
Yeah.
Lobh, your life is full of greed. And in Bani, Guru Sahib says, Lobhi ka visa na kija je ka par visa. Greed is such a powerful phenomenon. Now we have seen in this country people like Madoff and having billions of dollars and ruining hundreds of thousands of people's future because of greed, And he says, Parharna, lobh, when you are greedy, you are not even aware of where that greed will take you, what kind of person that greed will make you. And parharna, lobh, choot, and false has taken place in your life, but you are not aware. Nind, you are condemning others, slandering others, and being bad mouth towards
the
others.
Yeah.
ਇਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਕਰਤ ਗੁਦਾਰੀ, ਇਸੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੰਘਾ ਲਈ ਹੈ. ਵੀ ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਚੋਰੀ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ, ਜੀਵਨ 'ਚ ਲੋਭ ਹੈ, ਜੀਵਨ 'ਚ ਝੂਠ ਹੈ, ਦੂਜਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਨਿੰਦਿਆ ਚੁਗਲੀ ਹੈ. ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, you are not aware of your own life, your own future, and you have wasted your life by accepting this kind of, by exercising this kind of behavior in your life. Mrig Trishna, and because you are thinking that by doing these things, you will be happy in the end. And Guru Sahib says this is a Mrig Trishna. Mrig Trishna means in days, summer days, when there is hot weather in Registan, Rajasthan, like those deers, when they
Migs
look-
are deers. Yes.
when they look further and with the sunshine on the sand, it seems like there is a water, and deer runs and runs, in the end loses his strength and dies. And Guru Sahib says, Mrig Trishna, you are thinking that happiness is in future, and you are running around and you are losing your life. And As Mithya, and you have put faith on others, which is totally false. And you are thinking that others will bring happiness into your life, whether they are close ones or otherwise.
Friends,
And
rich
if-
friends, all other people will give you comfort.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
If they are not happy, how can they bring how would they bring happiness into
Right.
you? If their life is miserable, how can they bring happiness into your life?
Although you put your trust in them.
As Mithya, because this is a false hope you are having on others. And but Mithi, you are thinking this is a sweet. That's how you are living your life totally dreaming about happiness in future. ਇਹ ਟੇਕ ਮਨ ਹੈ ਸਾਧਾਰੀ, ਇਹ ਆਸਰਾ ਤੂੰ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ. This is how you think. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ this is like ਸਾਕਤ ਕੀ ਅਵਰਦਾ ਜਾਏ ਬਿਰਥਾਰੀ, a person who is power hungry and his life or her life is going totally wasteless. Then जैसे कहते किमें, जैसे कागद के पहाड़ मूसा टू गवावत. He says if any rat enters into a library,
Right.
the whole night chew the whole
Chew the whole books.
the books.
Like, right.
And there is so much trash around, and when he looks back he says, wow, how much work I did. And that's what you are doing. Guru Sahib is saying you are destroying your own life. जैसे कागद के पार मूसा टूक कवावत, जिस तरह चूहा ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਕਾਗਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਰ ਟੁਕ ਟੁਕ ਕੇ ਢੇਰ ਲਾ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਸੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਢੇਰ ਤੇ ਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਆਉਣਾ. ਤੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੰਨੈ ਸੁਰਤ ਹੋਵੇ, ਸੁਰਤ ਤੇਰੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ ਜਾਗ ਪਈ. You will be aware of your own
In your
acts.
conscience. Yes.
Your acts. Then not only acts, manna surat hove man, you will be conscious about what is going on in your mind. Many times our life is miserable because we let it happen. In our mind, what goes on, we never pay attention, and whatever is going on in our mind, it is not just a thought. It is a reflection of our buddha, what is in our buddhi. Buddhi is the everything which we have been taught, which we have learnt from society, from parents, from gurudwaras, temples, anything, everything, that is a buddhi.
Experiences from the listening.
Past experiences.
Right.
They could be from previous lives.
Right.
And ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ reflection ਹੈ ਉਹ ਮਨ ਹੈ.
Right.
ਉਹ ਮਨ ਹੈ.
Yeah.
ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮਨ ਦੀ ਰਿਫਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਦਲ ਸਕਦੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਦਲਦੀ.
Yeah.
ਤੇ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਬਦਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਮਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੰਗੀ ਮਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦੀ, ਚੰਗੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ, how would you change whatever you have inside of you if you are not bringing something new into you? In order to download new software, you need to replace the previous one.
Correct.
And Guru Sahib says, ਜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸੁਰਤ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੀਵਾ ਜਗਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਰਹੋ, ਆਪਣੇ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਰਹੋ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਨਦਾ ਹੈ, ਮੰਨੈ ਸੁਰਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਮਨ ਬੁੱਧ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੰਨਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ, ਉਹਦੀ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਜਾਗੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ when we go on the morning walk, if we are not aware, you will miss the chanting of the birds. You will miss the beautiful flowers. You will miss everything beautiful there is because you are not aware. You are not aware. There's something else is going on in your life. And Guru Sahib says, be aware. What is going on in your mind? And ਬੁੱਧੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਬੁੱਧੀ ਨੂੰ, ਸਾਡੀ ਟੋਟਲ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਨੂੰ, ਸਾਡੀ ਟੋਟਲ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵਿਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਬੀ ਕੌਨਸ਼ੀਅਸ, ਬੀ ਅਵੇਅਰ what you read, what you listen and what you watch.
And what you accept and put it in your brain.
Anything and everything you are doing, it is making you and shaping you. Guru Sahib says, manna. Those people who brings Guru teaching, what happens in their life is their surt, their awareness is so grown up, and they are totally aware of what is going on in their life, what is going within inside of them, and what is happening outside.
Yeah.
They are the people of awareness, those who accept the Guru's teaching in their life. Then manna sagal pavan ki sudh. Vawa. This is a very powerful line of Japji. And Guru Sahib says, manna sagal pavan ki sudh. Sudh da matlab hunda hosh. Jagrati. Jag. And he says, sagal pavan ki sudh. When you bring Guru's teaching in your life, and you accept that Guru's teaching in your life, and you live that Guru's teaching in your life, and you are totally aware of the whole universe. Whole universe. Hunda ki hai कि when sometimes happens in life, when you are physically paralyzed, the parts of your body are paralyzed. No matter who does what, you don't feel any sensation.
In your
If
body.
you pinch even
Right.
those parts,
Yeah.
if you even put nail in it, you
Yeah.
don't feel the pain,
Pain.
because they are disconnected from your total being,
Right.
the nerve system. So this is a physical paralysis. When the physical paralysis is that you don't feel your body parts with you, when there is a spiritual paralysis, you don't feel anything outside of your body. And that is a spiritual paralysis. Those people who live in remembrance, those people who meditate, those people who are in a state of like Guru Nanak, they feel the universe around them. They feel they are part of the whole. The whole is part of them.
Right.
ਸਗਲ ਪਵਨ ਕੀ ਸੁਧ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਮਿਰੇਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ,
Right.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਸੁਭਾਵਿਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਫਰਮਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਮੰਨੈ ਸਗਲ ਪਵਨ ਕੀ ਸੁਧ. They are conscious about the whole universe. Their whole universe, they feel it is part of them. ਮੰਨੈ ਮੂੰਹ ਚੋਟਾਂ ਨਾ ਖਾਏ. ਮੂੰਹ, ਇਹ ਹਾਹੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਆਰੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ,
Right.
ਭਾਵ
On your face.
they don't feel any sufferings, any pains in their life.
Mhm.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਚੋਟਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਚਪੇੜਾਂ ਪੈਣੀਆਂ, ਕੋਈ ਸਜ਼ਾ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ, so because they experience their life, they experience godliness in their life, and they are not punished with any sufferings, they are not punished with any pain. The punishment does not come from God.
Yeah.
It is our deeds cause us that suffering. Then Guru Sahib says, manna jam ka saath na jaye. So these are again words of the Guru Nanak's wisdom. He says, jam ka saath na jaye. Jam is we call as an angel of death.
Angel of death.
ਜਮਦੂਤ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ
Right.
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ.
Right.
Now, everyone has to die. You don't have to be religious or spiritual in order to experience death or dying. Death, ਮਰਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਹੀ ਹੈ.
Yeah.
ਇਹ
It
ਧਾਰਮਿਕ
is
ਨੂੰ ਵੀ
true.
ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਅਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ, ਅਧਾਰਮਿਕ
Everybody
ਨੂੰ ਵੀ
knows
ਪਤਾ
that.
ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਲਾਈਫ ਕੀ ਹੈ,
Right.
ਇਹ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਪਰਪਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ. So we always talk about in the Gurudwara that life does not start with birth and does not end with death. Does not end with death. It is ongoing phenomenon. And Guru Sahib says, manne जम कै साथ ना जाए. A person who brings teachings of Guru in life, that person is not reduced to any other form. Any other form. When you are reduced to other form, you are subject again sufferings and pains and again rebirth.
Recycle. And a recycle system. Yeah.
Absolutely. So jam ka saath na jaye means there are beautiful terms which we used to use in our culture. When somebody would die, we would say pura ho gaya. Pura किमें हो गया? क्योंकि तारना ऐसे a person who has lived life, experienced life, has broken the shackles of काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार, lust, anger, ego, pride, ਨਿੰਦਿਆ, ਚੁਗਲੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੋੜ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਆਜ਼ਾਦ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. ਹੁਣ ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਤਮਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਸਮਾਈ, ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. ਛੋਟਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਸੀ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੀ ਕੈਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ. ਸਰੀਰ ਦੀ ਕੈਦ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ. ਜਦੋਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੀ ਕੈਦ ਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਗਿਆ, ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. ਪਰ ਪੂਰਾ ਉਹ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਦਾ ਅਨੁਭਵ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਨੇ ਅਨੁਭਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ. Now if I may, many times when somebody dies in our community and we have religious service, sometimes people do Sahaj Path, sometimes people do Akhand Path, but that Akhand Path and Sahaj Path is not to liberate the other person or has nothing to do with the other person. It is for us, for the family, to when they are grieving at that time, and that Gurbani should guide them, inspire them about life and reality, and not for the person who has died, for his or her salvation. Yeah. That person is done.
Yeah, the person who died, we are doing the services not for him, we are doing the services for ourselves, our community, or the people who are associated with them.
And even Guru Sahib in Bani says, if somebody, some priest, some Gyani, some Pai Sahib, if somebody says that whatever we are doing, this will reach to that person's soul, right, that person is ignorant,
yeah,
and or that person is lying. And Guru Sahib says in his Bani, Guru Nanak Dev Ji de bachan ne, je mohaka kar mohe pitri de, ਘਰ ਮੋਹਿ ਪਿਤਰੀ ਦੇ, ਅੱਗੇ ਵਸਤ ਸਿਆਣੀਐ, ਪਿਤਰੀ ਚੋਰ ਕਰੇ, ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਹੱਥ ਦਲਾਲ ਕੇ, ਮੁਸਫੀ ਇਹ ਕਰੇ, ਨਾਨਕ ਅੱਗੇ ਸੋ ਮਿਲੈ, ਜੇ ਖੱਟੇ ਘਾਲੇ ਦੇ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਜੀਵਨ 'ਚ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਕਮਾਈ ਕਰਕੇ ਖੱਟ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਮੰਨੈ ਜਮ ਕੈ ਸਾਥ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ. ਅ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੂ ਲਿਵਸ ਲਾਈਫ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗਲੀ, brings Guru's teaching in his or her life, he says, never reduced in another forms. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए, जेको मन जाना मन कोय. Such as the pure name or virtues of God are, जेको मन जाना मन कोय. If somebody मन जाना, मन जवे, accept कर लवे, start living those virtues in his or her life, and that what that virtues will change? Man is reflection of your life. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿਫਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਊਟਲੁੱਕ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਵਰਚੂਜ਼ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਵੀ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਵੀ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਭਾਵ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ, ਵਰਚੂਜ਼ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ ਉਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੀਆਂ ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹਾ, ਨਾਨਕ ਭਗਤਾਂ ਸਦਾ ਵਿਗਾਸ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਦੁੱਖ ਪਾਪ ਕਾ ਨਾਸ. ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ 'ਤੇ ਪਿਆ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਰਮ ਬਦਲੇ ਨੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸੋਚ ਬਦਲੀ ਹੈ. ਆ ਨਾਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਐਸਾ ਨਾਮ ਨਿਰੰਜਨ ਹੋਏ, ਜੇ ਕੋ ਮਨ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਮਨ ਕੋਏ. ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ, ਮਿਹਰ ਕਰਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ 'ਤੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣਦਿਆਂ ਹੋਇਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਆ ਸਕੇ, ਸਾਡੀ ਸੁਰਤ ਉੱਚੀ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਕਰੀਏ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਮਝ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਭਲਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching Word of Sikhism. And these were the values of the Manne. The National Sikh Center's program is going to continue next week, same time, same channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any suggestions, any comments, please write to us, nationalsikhcenter@gmail.com, or write us or call us at 202-270-5528. If you need any services, advice, please contact us at Guru Gobind Singh Foundation. We do have some doctors available who can advise you for medical needs. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
जपते रसना जपते मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक, मृत मंडल एक तू ही। मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक, मृत मंडल एक तू ही। रसना 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 जपते 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 तू जपते तुम है पिता तुम ही फोन माता, तुम है मीत हित प्राता। तुम है पिता तुम ही फोन माता,